as we have accessed key details from an AIB report that pointed to a troubling past. The same aircraft that was involved in another serious incident that happened back in 2023 when it skidded off the runway. And in that crash, the co-pilot suffered serious injuries. Now, with the deadly history under SCADA, investigators are also examining whether warning signs were missed and if accountability extends beyond the latest incident. Let's connect with Akansha on this. Akansha, it seems that the same, plane or this aircraft has had a troubled history, and as far as when it comes to several questions that are now being raised, was it an old aircraft? Was there any issue as far as technical snag? Was there issue in any maintenance, or was it taking back-to-back flights? All of these questions remain.
Well, now the deadly history of the plane operator is under the scanner, because this is not the first time that such an incident has happened. Back in 2023, same flight belonging to the same operator, they met with this fate. Have a look at the visuals on your screen. Now, this incident happened in 2023 on September 14th, 2023. Let me take you through the details. But before that, have a look at the visuals on your screen. Today, the images have emerged from Baramati of the tragic crash, but this is what happened in 2023 as well. Let me take you through the details and what the Government of India had stated in the initial report on September 14, 2023. Learjet 45XR, now this is the jet that has crashed today, was involved in an accident while landing at the Mumbai International Airport at 11:32. It goes on to mention that the aircraft broke into two pieces and skidded, finally coming to a stop near the intersection on the taxiway. So now the question arises is that whether a proper maintenance was done, whether faulty aircraft was given to Ajit Pawar, because that time as well, 3 years back, the aircraft operator has said that the plane had crashed in Mumbai because of the low visibility. But let me take you through the details, what the Ministry of Civil Aviation had found that time as well. Remember, today, Learjet 45XR had crashed earlier today, and that time in 2023, the pilot received minor injury, but as far as the co-pilot is concerned, it got serious injuries that time as well, and place of the incident was Mumbai Airport. And this has raised a lot of concern, because this is not the first time that this jet belonging to the same operator has crashed. A similar incident happened in 2023 as well. And once again, have a look at the visuals on the screen of the aircraft, how badly it received injuries. So the question is whether a faulty aircraft was given to Ajit Pawar. Was the company aware about this? When was the maintenance carried out?
Aircraft, as far as for travel and short distance travel is concerned, but that now remains to be seen, because were there any warning signs, and if there were they ignored? Akansha, thank you for that update, because now there seems to be the angle of a conspiracy theory, and that is something, this sensational allegation is now being leveled by West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee, kicking a connection of Ajit Pawar's plane crash and raising serious questions and linking it to the incident of politics. Now, the West Bengal Chief Minister alleges that Ajit Pawar was set to return to his old faction to join his uncle Sharad Pawar, but the crash occurred just days before that move. Now, describing the circumstances as disturbing, the West Bengal Chief Minister has demanded only and only Supreme Court monitored probe. However, authorities meanwhile say that the investigation is underway and the facts will determine the course ahead and what may have caused the crash.
I came to know that from social network that somebody from other party, they gave a statement that Ajit Pawar is willing to leave the BJP. And now what happened today, I need proper investigation under the supervision of Supreme Court. Only we have the trust on Supreme Court, no other agency.